Okay. Girish, yesterday there was a news from your party senior leader saying that most of the district committees and everything is dissolved. So what is the next procedure now?
Next procedure is already mentioned in that letter that we have to reconstitute all these blocks and the district committee within next 1 month. So we will be appointing the block presidents immediately with a batch of 5 block presidents at a time. Mostly the block presidents, we have had a full-fledged committees, booth committees, and who have been very active. I think the observers for Goa, all the 3 observers, will review it immediately, and we will be starting the appointment within next 3 to 4 days, and we'll be completing the entire assignment of reconstituting the blocks within the time frame. I think if it is 1 month, but we should be completed within the next 20 days.
But what was the reason to resolve this blocks? It was the central leaders' decision who had come down, or were they not functional?
All the block presidents, majority of the block presidents were active. They have the part and parcel of all our agitations, all our programs, and they are the one who has raised the issues in the blocks also over last 3-4 years. So many block presidents were very active. They were vocal, and they built the party.
Then why they were dissolved then, if they were not, if they were active?
So the national leaders who are in Goa, they may have some plans, and so they are starting the reorganizing everything, but so that we are prepared thoroughly for the upcoming elections. So we'll be having a full-fledged block after the appointment. The national leadership expects that there should be active members in every block. So we have, they have given us the format for the active members. Although primary membership is going on, it will be an ongoing process. Along with primary membership, the digital membership, we had a concept called active membership. So Chidambaram ji want to introduce that, reintroduce that concept of active membership in these blocks. So every block is expected to have at least 300 active blocks, and then he has given the thrust to every block that all the major decisions will be taken after consulting the block. So we must know these are the 300 workers of our active workers of our block. So because of that, he want to have a compact where everyone will know these are the 300 who are the members. So apart from that 300, 200, whatever the active members are there, other non-active member will not be allowed to sit in those block meeting. So it is a wise decision when we are empowering the blocks. So we must know who are our active members of our block.
How would you comment on this? Like recently, some of the blocks you have recently started. Otanka new president, and suddenly within no time these are dissolved.
No injustice will be done on any blocks we have been working.
So they will be repeated again?
I've said no block or presidents or no block committees, there won't be any injustice on anybody who has done a job of revamping the blocks, reorganizing the blocks. So the task may be given to them immediately that they must have the active members. The forms will be given to every block president who will be reappointed, and for that purpose the observers, the 3 observers along with our PCC in charge, they will go to the block, they will meet the people, they will get the feedback, and whatever is to be done, they will take it forward.
Was Girish taken into confidence as a president in this issue?
See, it is a collective decision the party leadership takes.
You are aware?
It is the collective decision the party leadership takes. So whether I am aware, not aware, that is not the issue. The issue is the collective decision where every one of us are responsible.
Okay, and finally, how do you see the recently to this Mr. Chidambaram's visit to Goa, meeting everybody?
Chidambaramji's visit has enthused and charged our cadre. Our voters are given the fresh confidence, and that has actually given us a boost in Goa. Such a tall leader coming down to Goa spending a lot of time with our party office bearers. He met even those who are not the office bearers also. He did not send any person back. He met everyone. Again, he will be coming back to Goa in the first week of September. And I think with Chidambaramji's guidance and his tall leadership, with Dinesh Gundurauji's help, and all the leaders of Congress parties in Goa, and all our cadre, all our block workers, district office bearers, we are going to form the government in February 2022 and we give a good government to Goa.
Form the government with 21 or 28?
2022.
No, 21 with 21 numbers or 28? Full majority.
He has already mentioned that we are targeting all 40 seats.
That's one.
So,
So all 40 seats.
it is up to the people of Goa, and people of Goa has decisively decided that Congress should be given full power this time to run this government.
So BJP gave me now. BJP gave me now. All 40 seats for you.
The last time also they were rejected.
Yeah.
So this time their position is bad. As you rightly said, that they will not get a single seat.
I have not said.
We want some opposition.
I have not
also.
said. Your senior official said. You said.
No, but we want opposition. Don't say that we don't. They should be there. 5, 6, 7 seats. There should be good opposition to have a good government.
So you are leaving only 7 seats to BJP.
I'm saying that we want opposition also.
With 5, 6, 7 seats.
We are not like Congress Mukt Bharat. We don't say BJP Mukt Bharat. This is a democratic setup. In a democracy, opposition has a role, and we want healthy opposition. Okay.
आम्ही गोवा प्रदेश काँग्रेस कमिटी भूमिपुत्र रॅली आसा ती 29 तारखेक आमच्या सांखळी मतदारसंघात 10,000 लोकांक जमू आमी करपाची थारायल्या. आमी त्या प्रमाणे आमी आमचो ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट मंगलास नायकान आमी 24 ऑगस्टाक डेप्युटी कलेक्टर लेटर दिले आमी की आमकां परमिशन दिवचें म्हणून. डेप्युटी कलेक्टरान आमकां आयज एक लेटर धाडलें की तितून तेणी आमी जे 10,000 जे लोकांची रॅली काडपाची थारायले ते आमचे रिजेक्ट केले. कारण रिजेक्ट कित्याक केलें की जो CM आसा ती CMची क्वेश्चन लागल्या कडल्यान कालचे खेपू तेंच्यांनी अशेंच केल्लें आनी आतां परत CMची क्वेश्चन आयल्यार CMन भिवन तेका आमची जी रॅली 10,000 लोक येतले ती तेका कॅन्सल करून लायली. आनी आतां तेणी तो म्हणटा तुमी रॅली आसा ती SOPच्या हेज्या प्रमाणे करची म्हणजे 100 लोक आमकां तो येना. त्या खातीर आमी कितें केलें की हो CM आसा तो सारको भियाल्लो आसा कारण तेका पयलींच कळ्ळें आसा की आपले ह्या आतां आपूण जो CM आसा तो ह्या मतदारसंघात परत आपूण निवडून येवचो ना. तेन्ना जे लोक आमचे येतले कारण आमी जर 10,000 म्हटले तितूंतले मॅक्झिमम जे लोक आसतले ते कमीत कमी 5,000 तरी लोक आमचे सांखळे मतदारसंघाचे आसतले. त्या लोकांक पळोवन तो पयलींच भियालो आनी तेणी डेप्युटी कलेक्टर आमचे गोव्हर्मेंटाक सांगलें की हेंची रॅली जावची न्हू म्हणून आनी आमची ती रॅली कॅन्सल केली.
मंगलदास नायक जो ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंटाने ऍप्लिकेशन मूव केल्लें.
आमी जे 24 तारखेक एप्लिकेशन केल्लें डेप्युटी कलेक्टराक आनी पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर तेजे रिप्लाय आमकां आयज सकाळीं दिलें डेप्युटी कलेक्टरान. सकाळी फुडें ती बी तेजी SOP सांबाळून. आयज तुमी पळयल्यात की BJP गव्हर्मेंट कशे पद्दतीन यंत्रणा वापरतात ती मिसयूज करतात म्हणटा हांव. फाटले फावट आमी एक कसली सर्ती आसा सद्बुद्धी यात्रा जी केल्लेली ती आमी एक शांतपणान एक 50 लोकांची घेवन गेल्लेली. तेज्या अगेन्स्ट आमच्या अगेन्स्ट जवळपास 1000 लोक BJPन जमा केले. हांव विचारता गव्हर्मेंटाक तेन्ना SOP खंय गेल्लो तेन्ना तेजेर कसलेच एक्शन घेतली गेल्ली ना गव्हर्मेंटान. आनी आयज आमी जो 10,000 लोकांचो मोर्चा व्हरपाची जे परमिशन मागलेलें तें आमकां SOP सांबाळून दिल्लेलें 100 लोकांचं. सो तुमी सगळे जाण चिंतात की BJP गव्हर्मेंट कसो मिसयूज करता यंत्रणाचो. जो तांकां जाय त्या प्रमाणे ते चेंज करतात.
मोर्चा आमी कॅन्सल केल्लो पोस्टपोन केला. आमी मागीर 14 जाण आमी कलेक्टरा कडेन परत हे करताले मेन कलेक्टरा कडेन आनी आमचो 14 जाण आमी तो मोर्चा काडटाले.
आनी तो साखळेन 10,000चोच जातलो कमी जावचो ना. तेजे प्रत्युत्तर आमी दितले साखळेक.
पण त्यांना तुमकां कोविडाची भिरांत दिसली ना?
त्यांना एसओपी मे बी चेंज जातलो एसओपी सांबाळून करतले आमी.
SOP
Changes also
कमी
happened.
जातले पण करतले आमी.
COVID वेळेला.
त्यांचो सगळ्यात सांगपाचो मुद्दो असो आसा की मुख्यमंत्री हो कायदो तोडटा आणि ओपोजिशन हो कायदो सांबाळपाक येता. म्हणजे मुख्यमंत्र्याची जबाबदारी आशिल्ली की एसओपी सांबाळपाक. तो डेप्युटी कलेक्टर आमकां एसओपी सांबाळ म्हणटा. आमी मागला थंय 10,000ची परमिशन, तो एसओपी म्हणून आमकां 100ची दिता. आमी जेन्ना 100ची सद्बुद्धी यात्रा गेली थंय 1,000-1,500 लोक इल्लिगली घेतले परमिशन आसतना लाउड स्पीकर यूज करून. तेन्ना एसओपी खंय गेल्लो?
त्यांना आमकां अशें सांगलें की तुमी
सो
100
बेसिकली हो डिमांड करपाक सरकारा कडेन की भुमिपुत्र बिल तें स्क्रॅप करचे नाजाल्यार तेजेर डिबेट करचो हो जो डिमांड आशिल्लो तेजेर आमी ठाम आसात. मुख्यमंत्र्यान फक्त सांगलां की नांव चेंज जातलें, तें नांव चेंज करून लोकांक तुमी फटयनाकात. तो कितें आसा तो परत असेंब्ली आपयात, ते डिबेट करात आनी तेजे नंतर एक इन्क्लुसीव आनी प्रोग्रेसीव जो एक कायदो हाडात जितूंतल्यान सगळ्या गोंयकारांकूय तेजो फायदो जातलो आनी कोणाक भंय दिसपाना.
पूण इतले दीस तेजेर इशू ना, गव्हर्नराचे देखून कांय कन्सल्टंट खबर ना. सो इज इट नॉट इक्वल टू एज लॅब्स दॅट भुमिपुत्र?
Why we should assume it lapse till just achieve after that day we have declared this. On the day we have declared that we are going to have Bhumiputra Yatra with 10,000 Bhumiputras in the Chief Minister's constituency, starting from Chief Minister's constituency. Same day Chief Minister had a special press conference late in the night and said he's changing the name of Bhumiputra. Is withdrawing or dropping that Bhumiputra. This is not fair. You are cheating the people of Goa.